Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a super exciting video because I'm going to be testing out some new makeup and there's also a giveaway at the end. So make sure that you hang tight for that at the end of the video. All you have to do to be entered in my giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, tag 3 people in my Instagram picture. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot. And sorry if I don't have a lot of energy. I'm really in a lot of pain, but I'm just putting my smile on. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. Let's jump right into the video. So the first product that I'm going to be testing out is new BH Cosmetics brushes. And they all came in a kit like this. Okay, for blush and highlight, I'm going to be using this new Urban Decay Back Talk palette. And this is what it looks like. When you open it up, it has 2 sides and this mirror comes out. So for my blush, I'm going to be using this shade right here. And I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics brush number 3. That's really pretty. It might look better on someone with a little bit deeper skin tones than me because I'm super fair. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm just going to be using this small BH brush again. Yeah, it seems okay. It's a little on the pink side. Well, pretty much the whole palette is like pinks and mauves. I don't know if I love it on my cheeks, but I do like it on the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. So I'm going to try to blend it out a little bit. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to be trying out these 2 palettes. So I'm going to start with this palette to do my crease since it is an all matte palette. And this is the Dose of Color Sassy Sienna palette. So this is what it looks like, and it comes with this tiny brush, which I'm probably not going to use just because it is so small. So I'm going to start out with this shade and put it in my crease. And this is the shade Foxy. They're blending out really nice, and I really like how they are working so far, and they are really pigmented. This is an all matte palette, so that is something to keep in mind. Next, I'm going to take the shade Brassy, which is right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease, but focusing on it on the outer half. These are super pigmented, so go in with a really light hand. I am going to take the very last shade, which is called Stay Sassy, and I am going to use the brush that came with the palette. And I'm going to put this on my outer V to deepen everything up. This tiny brush is definitely not ideal for an entire look. Like, I don't get why they put such a small brush in here. Like, they could have made the base of the brush shorter so they could fit bigger brush hairs on it, but I'm kind of confused why this brush is so small. And you wouldn't be able to blend any eyeshadow out with just this end. Okay, now I'm going to go into the Kristen Leanne palette. This is what it looks like. I'm thinking I want to do a halo eye. So what I'm going to do is put this shade on the inner and outer corners of my eye. Just going to pack it on. So in the center of my eye, I'm going to put this shade right here. I am going to put on eyeliner. Okay, I have done some winged eyeliner, and now I'm going to be testing out the new Smashbox mascara. And this is called Super Fan Mascara. This is what the applicator looks like. It is kind of bendy. You can't really tell, but maybe if I look up, you'll be able to see. Overall, I really like this mascara. It's not getting too clumpy, and it's definitely giving my lashes some length and volume. So last but not least, I'm going to be trying out these Buxom lipsticks, and I got these for free. These are the lightweight liquid lipsticks, and I have 2 shades. I feel like this shade will match my eye look the best. So here is the first shade, and this shade is called Centerfold, and then this shade is called Wondrous. So overall, I really liked all of the brushes. I think they are really cute, the pink, and they are really soft, and they blend out your makeup really nicely. And this I really like. I'm not a huge fan of this side, but the eyeshadows look really nice. And I'm not a fan of this mirror because when I try to fold it over, it just falls out. So I would say if you want this for the eyeshadows, then you can just get an Urban Decay eyeshadow. You wouldn't have to buy all of this just for their eyeshadows. And then the face palette, the face side, I mean, this won't work for every skin tone out there. This was a bit dark for me. And the blushes are okay. They do have shimmer in them, so that's something to keep in mind as well, because I'm not a huge fan of blushes with shimmer. The Kristen Leanne eyeshadow palette, I really, really love this. You can't really do a natural look with it, so that's also something to keep in mind. But I think this is great if you want some pops of color. And I really do like these 2 shades, they're iridescent. The mascara, I got this as a free sample off of Sephora's website. So it was not like I didn't have to pay for it. I probably would not buy it if I didn't get it for free, because I already have mascaras that are even better than this. But I do think if you like natural mascaras, you will like this. And yeah, it's totally your call. The Buxom lipsticks, these are really nice. They do not dry all the way down, but they are not a lip gloss. They're like kind of in between. Oh, I forgot to mention this palette. I really, really, really like this palette. I do not like the brush that came with it, but you can use this for everyday colors like these over here. And I think that's it. So I am doing another giveaway. And all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and tag 3 people in the Instagram picture. And that's it. So what you will be able to win is this Makeup Forever eyeshadow, this Neutrogena Hydrating Cleansing Gel, this Bad Gal Bang mascara, this perfume, these hair masks. And the best one that you'll be able to win is the Stila liquid eyeshadows. These are amazing. These are so good. So tell your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!